Y esta es para los que fueron a cómo suena eso este año.
¿Qué discriminación?
Me pongo en aquella puerta para el borracho.
1, 2, 3, 4. She was just 17, I would know what I mean. And the way she looked was way beyond the bed. How could I dance without her? Oh, the last song was ended. Well, she looked at me, and I could see that before too long I fell in love with her. She wouldn't dance without her. Whoa, that song was ended. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room, and I held her hand in my ear. Oh, we danced through that night, where we held each other tight, and before too long, I fell in love with her. I never danced without another. Oh, that's so good. Muchas gracias a todos.